funky.
So for the first look, I have this beautiful cheetah print scarf. It is in square shape, but we are going to turn it into a triangle. So we'll bring together two ends, just like that. And once the triangle is done, you place it on your head. Make sure the front part is in the middle of your forehead and tie in the back. Like that. Our second style, we are going to use another silk scarf. Tie it into a triangle just like the previous one, and then tie it over our heads, right on the forehead. But this time you'll tie twice in the back. And then we flip. We are going to take another headscarf, a bigger one this time, and fold it into a triangle like that. But this time we'll continue folding until it is like a straight scarf, like this. I have just folded it again and again to make this, and then I will tie it from the back. Tie it there once, and the second time I'll tie it into a bow. Then these parts of the bow that are hanging, I will fix them inside right before I extend the folded ends. For the next style, we are going to take a way bigger scarf and then turn it into a triangle. Once it's in a triangle, we tie it from the back like this. Bring everything in front. And in this next step, you're going to take a hairband or a rubber band or a scrunchie, depending on what you have, and then tie the scarf. Once you have that, you're going to roll it very neatly. Curl it up like that all the way. There you have style number 4. For this style, we will fold our scarf into this shape and then place it at the back of our heads and fold. This can be a style too, but the one I was going for, once it's like that, you tie it again to secure and then roll. I mean twist. This is twisting, not rolling. And then tuck the end, and there you go. Okay, for this next one, I'm going to have to tie my wig behind. That is set. I will go ahead again with my scarf, fold it like that. I have just folded it into this shape, and then I will place it on the back of my head, but bring it to the front. Do not tie, but twist. Once you've done that, take these ends and tuck them in behind. This next one is the simplest. You can use it when you have like 2 minutes to prepare. So again, we'll take the scarf, tie it into a rectangle and fold like 4 to 5 times depending on the size of your scarf. Mine is not very big, so I'll fold it 4 times. Once it's folded, I place it on my forehead like that and tie 2 knots from behind. There we go. This is a very easy but beautiful look. And from style number 7, we will quickly transition to style number 8. So we are going to drag the scarf to the side slowly up until this knot or ribbon that we have made with the knot is on the side. And again, make sure once you move the scarf, your hair is still secure and it does not come up above the scarf. So just like that. For this next one, we are going to tie our hair again. Once that is done, we are going to take our scarf. I prefer a little scarf for this. We'll tie it into a triangle and then fold it like 3-4 times. This is nice, this size. And then put it on the back of our necks and tie on the side. And on that same note, we can untie that, make it loose, and tie it at the front. For this next look, tie it into a triangle and then place it on my head like that. Tie just under my neck like that. Tie twice to secure. Push it a little back to expose your hair. this front part of your hair. We're going to take a scarf, fold it into a triangle again, and then roll it. Once it is rolled, we will take another scarf of a different color. Here again, you have these two, so you're going to merge them at the center and interlock them. Once that is done, place it at the back of your head. Tuck in the ends. For this next one, we'll take a larger scarf, fold it into a triangle, and then place it on your back, on your shoulders, I mean. You're going to tie twice. We have finally come to the end of the video, so thank you so much for watching up till the end. Let me know in the comment section which was your favorite style, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next. Bye.